Good morning, students. Today we solve exercise 6.2 graphically in the two-dimensional plane. First question: x plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5. Make the table x, y, correct? X plus y less than 5. Then in the mind understand this: x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Then if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5. Only take two value, correct? First put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0, because both the point lies on x axis and y axis, right? Only 2 point is sufficient to draw the graph. Clear? Now x axis, this is y axis. Simply draw the graph. 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is 0 5. Correct? There are 2 points 5 0 and 0 5, and draw the line. You know that if your symbol is less than or greater than, then draw dotted line. If your symbol is less than equal to or greater than equal to, then draw straight line, dark line. This is the main point in this exercise. If your inequality symbol less than or greater than, then line should be dotted. And if your inequality symbol less than equal to, greater than equal to, then your straight line, dark line. So in this question, dotted line, this line, correct? This is x plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5. And which portion is shaded? Shaded portion, solution. You have to put here 0 0. X plus y less than 5. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We want to check the origin lies in the solution or not. Put x is equal to 0 here, y is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 less than 5. So 0 less than 5. It is true or false? It is true. 0 less than 5, it is true. If it is true, then towards origin. If it is false, then away from the origin. If it is true, then the shaded portion towards origin. Because this point is 0 0. And 0 0 satisfy this equation. So shaded portion is this. This is the shaded portion. Clear? This is the answer of this question. Clear? This is the shaded portion. Again, in every question, put here 0 0. Put here 0 0. If it is true, then towards origin. If it is false, then away from the origin. If it is false, then away from the origin. Question number second question. Question number third. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Make the table. In every question, Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 here. If x is equal to 0 here, it will become 0. Then 4y is equal to 12. 4y is equal to 12, then y is equal to 3. If y is equal to 0, if here y is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12, the x is equal to 4. Draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis, 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, this is 0, 3. And 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 0. And draw the line. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now check origin lies in the solution or not. Put here 0, 0. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0, 0, then it 0 less than equal to 12. So true or false? It is true. If it is true, then the origin lies in the solution. So therefore this is the answer. This is the answer. This portion is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? Now we solve fifth question. Fifth question. Fifth question. X minus y less than equal to 2. Same procedure. Same procedure. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Then y is minus 2. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. Clear? You can make the table. Now, this is x-axis, y-axis, 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 lies here. 0 minus 2. And 2, 0. 2, 0 lies here. Draw the line. X minus y is equal to 2. Now check origin lies or not. Put here 0, 0. X minus y less than equal to 2. Put 0, 0. Put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Then 0 less than equal to 2. It is true. If it is true, then towards origin. If it is true, then towards origin. Origin की तरफ. So this is the answer. This portion is the answer. This portion is your solution. Clear? You can shade or you can like this. You can shade the complete region, or you can like this arrow. This is question number 5th. Similarly, you can solve question number 9. Y less than minus 2. Y less than minus 2. No need for table. X axis, y axis. Y minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2, it means line is parallel to x axis. Simply draw line is parallel to x axis. Dotted line. Line is parallel to x axis. Y is equal to minus 2. The line is parallel to x axis. And put here 0, 0. So 0 less than minus 2. Whether it is true or false. 0 less than minus 2. It is true or false? It is false. It is false. Therefore, it is away from origin. It is false. Then away from origin. It means this is not the solution. This is solution. Away from the origin. This part. This is the answer. Question number 10. X greater than minus 3. X greater than minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. There is minus 3 and the line is parallel to y-axis. The line is parallel to y-axis. Dotted line, correct? Dotted. X is equal to minus 3 and put here 0, 0. X greater than minus 3, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then 0 greater than minus 3. So it is true or false? 0 greater than minus 3. It is true. If it is true, then towards origin. If it is true, then towards origin is the answer. If it is true, then towards origin is the answer. This is question number 10. Clear? Now, question number 11. Y greater than equal to 2x. This is extra question, not included in exercise 6.2. Extra question for extra knowledge. Make the table x-axis, y-axis. Put x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. If you put here 0, then y is also 0. Here choose any value. You can choose any value. Put here x is equal to 2, then y is 4. You can put 2, 3, 1. You can choose any number. Now draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis. 0, 0 origin here. 1, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, it means this point. Now join this line. So this is y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x, correct? Now the main question is that which is the shaded portion? This portion or this portion? For this question, specifically for this question, we don't take 0, 0 because this line passes through the origin. This line passes through the origin, so we can't take the value x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So in this type of questions, we take any value from x-axis or y-axis. You can choose any value from x-axis or y-axis. I choose value from x-axis. Point. I choose this point. You can choose any point from x-axis or y-axis. Choose this point and check this point satisfy this equation or not. Y less than 2x. Put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. 0 less than 4. 0 less than equal to 4. It is true. 0 less than equal to 4. It is true. If it is true, 0 less than equal to 4, if it is true, then towards the point. If it is false, then away from the point. This is point. If it is true, then towards the point, shaded portion is towards the point. If it is false, then the shaded portion is away from the point. Your answer is this. Shaded portion is towards the point. Shaded portion is towards the point. This is the solution of this question. Now your homework. Note down your homework. Do exercise 6.2 in graph copy. Do exercise 6.2 in graph copy and cut the graph from the graph copy and paste in the fair copy. Clear? Thank you.